Hey everybody, it's Brian from BCTI, and I just want to put a quick video together to let you know about a fantastic new book put out by an author named Greg Deckler. It is DAX for Humans. This is my sort of faked copy. Took my digital copy and made an actual book out of it. He does have a hard copy version of this that's going to be available, and I do plan on getting that. But in the meantime, I like physical books, so I took the PDF, printed it out, and I have yet to go through the whole book, but I've started the first few chapters, and it is fantastic. Greg has a really great way of teaching DAX that is completely counter to how everybody else teaches it. And it's so much easier for me, coming from a power query background and being very comfortable with M. This is almost like using DAX but writing it the way M is written. So if you're comfortable with Power Query M, you're probably really going to love this. But it's a great book. It is massive. I mean, check this out. It is huge. Many tips, tricks, lessons. I'm sure once I get through the whole thing, I'm just going to absolutely love it. I've enjoyed everything I've gone through so far. So if you want to check this book out, I'll put a link in the video description for Greg's website. It's available on Amazon.com for purchase an ebook version, and you can either read it on the screen or you can print it out like I did. The hardcover version will be available probably within just the next few weeks of the recording of this video, mid-July. And so if you want a physical version of the book, you can get that. But again, the link is in the video description. Everything's in there. But do check it out. And check out Greg's website. It's a fantastic website as well. So even if you don't get the book, but you just need some help with DAX, Greg is just phenomenal with DAX. He's one of the best. So check him out. Check out the book. Of course, check out our videos. Like and subscribe. Do all that stuff. And I'll see you soon. Take care.